going to fussy cut an image, you're going to want to cut into the shape and cut off a very small amount of color. The other thing you want to do is try not just turning your scissors, but turning your paper as you cut. To DIY your own stickers, what you're going to want is a sheet of printables that you cut out into shapes like so. And then you're going to want to use some packing tape and a pair of scissors. Now I've already pulled my packing tape off, and I have some like a lift paper left over. So I'm going to put my packing tape down, and then I am going to quickly glue my image. So just a little bit of glue on the paper so it sticks. Stick it to your tape and then cover it with another piece of packing tape, excuse me, and then cut. Leave a small space around your image as you trim it out, and then you'll have your own peel and stick sticker with a clear edge.